Apple Vision Pro. Introducing the Apple Vision Pro, a groundbreaking device that connects the digital and physical worlds. This isn't just a camera. It marks the beginning of a new era in computing. With Vision Pro, you can interact using your eyes, hands, and voice. Engage with apps, enjoy entertainment, view images, and watch videos like never before. Imagine working and playing on an endless canvas. Experience immersive theater anywhere you go. Relive your memories in stunning 3 dimensions and collaborate with others in the same room. The design is revolutionary. It features a bespoke micro-OLED screen, dual-chip architecture, eye tracking, and spatial audio. All of this is powered by Vision OS, the world's first spatial operating system. The Apple Vision Pro is the most advanced consumer electronics product Apple has ever created. It retails for $2,999 and is now available for purchase. Airtrick E-skates. Introducing the Airtrick E-skates, the perfect solution for commuters who want a powered boost without the hassle of carrying an electric scooter or skateboard. These innovative e-skates easily strap onto your existing shoes, making them convenient and portable. Manufactured in Hong Kong, they are currently featured in an Indiegogo campaign. Each set includes 2 e-skates. They feature a sturdy one-piece frame made of 6063 aluminum alloy. The quick-release silicone ankle and toe straps ensure a secure fit. Plus, the ankle support and rubber foot platform provide comfort and stability. The e-skates come equipped with abrasion-resistant rubber wheels and a powerful 29.4-volt lithium battery. Each skate also has a 150-watt rear hub motor, delivering reliable performance for your travels. EcoVacs Goat G1. Meet the EcoVacs Goat G1, a high-tech solution for efficient lawn care. Unlike traditional mowers, it operates without buried wires, using advanced LiDAR technology and onboard cameras for seamless navigation. The True Mapping Multi-Fusion Localization System integrates various sensors for precise mapping. This ensures accurate and efficient mowing every time. What sets the Goat G1 apart is its intelligent path planning. It analyzes your lawn's layout to determine the most effective mowing route, optimizing both time and energy. Incorporating AI/VI 3D obstacle avoidance, the mower navigates around obstacles like flower beds and trees. This reduces the risk of entanglement or damage, making lawn care hassle-free. Rux Robot. Introducing Rux Robot, your innovative desktop companion. With its integration of the Android system, it becomes more than just a gadget. It's a continuously evolving assistant. Rux leverages the vast ecosystem of Android apps and connectivity. Its open-source nature ensures constant innovation, making Rux a dynamic partner that adapts to your lifestyle. Compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, Rux shines with ChatGPT integration. This allows for meaningful, natural conversations, enhancing your experience. The Bot Life feature gives each Rux a unique personality. This leads to personalized interactions, resulting in a robot that feels responsive and tailored to you. Rux also brings your desktop to life with its ability to walk and explore. This playful movement adds a sense of curiosity and engagement. Its magnetic gear design invites 3D printing enthusiasts to get creative. Night Vision Goggles. Have you ever wondered what the world looks like when the sun goes down? Meet the cutting-edge night vision binoculars that will revolutionize your nocturnal adventures. These goggles feature advanced 4K color technology, illuminating the night in vivid hues. Imagine transforming a pitch-black area into a vibrant canvas where every detail comes to life. They're perfect for anyone wanting to explore the wonders of the night without missing a single moment. With these goggles, you're not just observing, you're fully immersed in the nocturnal environment. Capture breathtaking 58-megapixel images and record crisp 4K videos, allowing you to bring the beauty of the dark back home. The range is impressive, providing clear, detailed images from up to 600 meters away. Unlike traditional green-tinted graphics, these goggles display everything on a vivid 4-inch color TFT screen, making night viewing enjoyable. N-Real Air AR Glasses. Next, let's talk about N-Real Air AR glasses. Priced at $380, these lightweight glasses weigh only 3 ounces, yet they pack powerful hardware. The viewing experience is comparable to a 110-inch screen from 20 feet away. These glasses are compatible with Android, iOS, PS5, and Xbox Series X and S. They offer an impressive resolution of up to 3840 by 1080 pixels. The N-Real Air glasses are equipped with 2 speakers and 2 microphones, making virtual meetings seamless. With built-in echo and noise cancellation, your calls will be clear and professional. Plus, customized lenses are available for those with vision issues. Dyson 360 Vis Nav. Meet the Dyson 360 Vis Nav, your ultimate cleaning companion. This robot vacuum redefines efficiency with its 360-degree visual navigation. It intelligently identifies areas needing cleaning and remembers where it has already been. The full-width brush bar reaches right to the edges of your floors. No corner is left untouched. Its wider design minimizes tangling, allowing for uninterrupted operation. One standout feature is its ability to clean edges and corners automatically. Powered by the Dyson Hyperdynamic motor, it spins at an impressive 110,000 RPM, delivering powerful suction. The whole machine HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, including pet dander and diesel soot. Customization is key. You can define specific cleaning zones, set times, and choose power modes. The My Dyson app provides deep clean reports, showing the vacuum's efficiency in action. Seamlessly integrate the Dyson 360 Vis Nav with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. Privacy is a top priority. While the robot uses a camera to perceive the room, it only captures shapes and contrasts. No images are recorded or sent, ensuring your personal information is safe. Thanks to its low profile and LED light ring, it cleans under furniture and navigates in low light. The advanced dual-link suspension allows it to climb steps up to 21 mm, reaching hard-to-access areas. With 26 sensors for obstacle avoidance, your furniture and valuables are protected from accidental bumps. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav offers 4 power modes. E-Wagon. Introducing the E-Wagon, an electric utility wagon designed specifically for outdoor adventures. This wagon is packed with features that make transporting gear a breeze. One standout feature is the electric power assist. This means you can handle heavy loads with ease. The E-Wagon is equipped with all-terrain wheels, making it perfect for various surfaces. Plus, it includes hill descent control, simplifying your outdoor activities. Thanks to FlowStride technology, the E-Wagon offers extra power on diverse terrains. This makes it ideal for uphill journeys, even with heavy loads. The electric motors make a 180-pound load feel like just 10 pounds when going downhill, all while allowing for speed control. Another great feature is the portable, detachable battery. It charges in just 3 hours and provides up to 7 miles of usage. With high-density rubber wheels, the E-Wagon ensures mobility wherever you go. Priced at $450, the E-Wagon is a versatile and convenient choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Scout TK. Meet the Scout TK, FLIR's powerful, pocket-sized thermal vision monocular. This device transforms your surroundings into a clear view, even in total darkness or low-light conditions. The Scout TK can easily detect people, objects, and animals from over 100 yards away. One impressive feature is its ability to take still photos and record videos, making it perfect for reconnaissance, whether you're in your backyard or on a mission. This device senses heat signatures, allowing you to see in total darkness. Its compact size means it fits easily in the palm of your hand or in your pocket. The Scout TK features a user-friendly design with just 4 buttons. Its intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can use it without any struggle. The field of view measures 20 degrees by 16 degrees, displayed on a 640 by 480 pixel LCD screen. The thermal detector is a 160 by 120 Vox microbolometer. Plus, the Scout TK is shock-resistant up to 2 meters and has an IP67 rating, making it submersible. However, underwater use is not recommended. Measuring 6 inches by 2 inches and weighing just 6 ounces, it's easy to carry. You can download images and videos via USB, and it operates in extreme hot and cold climates. A single charge lasts up to 5 hours, and it powers on in less than 5 seconds. Chefman Mini Fridge. Experience the epitome of cool with the Chefman Mini Fridge. This sleek appliance keeps your culinary delights at the perfect temperature, whether you're at home or on the go. With a removable shelf and a generous 4-liter capacity, it can hold up to 6 12-ounce cans. It's the ultimate convenience for any food lover. The practical carrying handle makes it easy to transport, making it perfect for road trips or picnics. But that's not all. The fridge door features an erasable surface, ideal for jotting down notes, to-do lists, or important reminders. With just a flick of a switch, you can cool it down to a refreshing 32 degrees Fahrenheit or warm it up to a cozy 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Say goodbye to lukewarm snacks and hello to culinary perfection. Arcware's Mini Dryer. Next up is the Arcware's Mini Dryer, a gadget you didn't know you needed. But it does more than that. With a special attachment, it turns into a bed warmer, and if you need extra warmth, it also works as a heater. Plus, the mini dryer comes with built-in ultraviolet sterilization to keep your items clean and fresh. It's super compact, slightly bigger than an iPhone. You can grab this versatile gadget for only $49.99. Jet Quad Drone. Remember the iconic car from the movie? Yes, it's the DeLorean DMC-12. Now, imagine a flying version of that time machine. Introducing the Jet Quad Drone. This amazing drone is built on the Jet Quad platform. It's powered by 4 jet engines, allowing it to reach incredible speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour. But that's not all. The Jet Quad features the AB6 version platform. This lets you build drones that can fly up to 11 kilometers high. It's the perfect way to experience cutting-edge drone technology. Northern Lights Aurora Projector. Experience the beauty of the Aurora Borealis right in your own home with the Northern Lights Aurora Projector. This cutting-edge device uses advanced LED technology and intricate optical systems. It recreates the ethereal dance of the Northern Lights with stunning accuracy and detail. You can adjust settings for color, intensity, and motion. Customize your Aurora experience to suit your mood. Whether you want a cozy atmosphere to relax or an enchanting light show for your guests, this projector is the perfect addition to any room. Transform your space with the magic of the Northern Lights. Ranvu Ace 3 Neck Air Conditioner. The Ranvu Ace 3 Neck Air Conditioner. This game-changing innovation redefines personal comfort in hot, humid weather. Designed for instant relief, this compact device fits comfortably around your neck. It delivers a refreshing stream of cool air directly to you. With advanced cooling technology, the Ace 3 creates a personal microclimate, effectively combating heat and humidity. You can adjust the airflow settings and rotate the vent 360 degrees to customize the direction and intensity of the breeze. Its ergonomic design ensures a snug fit without discomfort, and it operates quietly, so you won't disturb those around you. Perfect for outdoor activities, sports, or simply staying cool indoors, the Ranvu Ace 3 provides a refreshing oasis wherever you go. Say goodbye to sticky, sweaty days, and embrace the comfort of personal climate control with the Ranvu Ace 3 Neck Air Conditioner. Human support. Japanese engineers from Preferred Networks have developed innovative software to help robotic systems collaborate effectively in cleaning rooms. This software enables robots to manage their actions and interactions. They can recognize various objects scattered around a space, pick them up, and place them in the correct locations. To demonstrate its capabilities, the engineers tested the software on a human support robot already used by Toyota. Impressively, these robots can understand human speech and gestures. This allows for interactive communication and helps them follow instructions accurately. Looking ahead, this technology has exciting potential. It can be applied in various areas, such as organizing inventory in warehouses, cleaning public spaces, and assisting elderly individuals or those with disabilities in maintaining their homes.